Hi, this is Mike with AskTractorMike.com. I'm speaking again today with Steve, and Steve is a guy that helped me get this channel going. He was service manager at the dealership I worked at, and he's a real great guy and willing to share his tremendous wealth of knowledge with viewers of this channel. And Steve, I want to thank you. I couldn't have got this channel going without your technical assistance. But when you send a question in to me, if it's something technical or pretty deep in service, it goes to Steve. Steve will write a response, send it to me, and I send it to you. And I want to give you credit for all your help with this. But anyway, today we're going to talk with Steve as a former owner of a dealership and a former service manager. I am considered a weekend farmer, a person that doesn't make their living off the farm. I have a compact tractor that I use to piddle around with. I use a loader for flower beds, and I mow the pasture with the brush hog. And that's a lot of the people that watch my channel. Steve, if you could, from your experience in service, to my people that are buying their first tractor, and most of the time we're over 40 years old, and we want that tractor to last the rest of our lives. We don't want to have to buy another tractor. What are 2 or 3 service things that you could tell them that they need to do to ensure a long life for the tractor?
I guess the first thing I would talk about would be diesel fuel, the fuel you put in your tractor. Make sure it's clean, make sure it's not old and hadn't been sitting for a year in a tank somewhere. Water in a fuel system is kind of like acid to your belly. It'll just destroy it. The tolerances inside a fuel pump are so close that there are parts in there you can hold in your hand for like a minute and they won't even fit in the hole they're supposed to go on, because that's how tight the tolerances are. When you get water inside a fuel pump, it will score the inside of that pump, and then you got to buy a new pump. So be careful with your fuel. Another thing is oil. Follow your schedules of changing oil in your operator's manual. If they're not in there, then call your dealer and say, what should I be changing? That should all be covered when you buy that tractor. The filters, when they should be changed, the engine, when it should be changed, and all that. The service times. Another thing is water in the hydraulic system. Well, how can water get in my hydraulic system? If your tractor sits outside and it comes to rain and that rain freezes over that tractor, a lot of people don't think about this, but the ice will melt from the inside up. So you got water, and then that night it gets cold, so it warms up and melts a little bit, and that night it gets cold, and you got that water underneath that ice, and then it tries to find a hole it can run in. So then you can get water in your hydraulic system or water in your transmission, and there goes your problems.
And a lot of people don't know, if you bought a brand new tractor and took it out to the field and put bad fuel in it, and it eats the pump out, that's not covered under warranty.
That's correct. I guess I go back to this. Understand your warranty. When at the time you buy the tractor, make sure that salesman tells you what's covered under warranty and what's not covered under warranty.
And I'm not so sure I wouldn't go back and ask the service people that question more than the salespeople, because I'm speaking as a former salesman. I didn't always know. I knew the tractor had a 5-year warranty or a 4-year warranty or a 3-year warranty. I wasn't always, I was more focused on getting the sale than I was exactly what that warranty covered.
It's really important to understand your warranty, understand what it covers and how it covers it, and when it doesn't cover it. So that could be a total 5-minute visit with the service manager to find out what you can expect. Hauling is a small expense, but it can be a large expense. If you live 50 miles from the dealer and they charge you $3 a mile for hauling, that's $150. I mean, it's just
one way.
Yeah, one way, and you got to pay both ways, because you got to bring it in, take it back.
If I bought a new tractor and I would have that warranty explained by the service people, and then I would go on my phone to whatever, I use Outlook calendar, and I would go forward 3 years and put a tickler in there to remind me a month ahead of time that if I've got anything that's starting to go bad, I need to get that thing in and get it. And a lot of your warranties are not, if it has a 3-year, 4-year, or 5-year warranty, that doesn't cover everything. You want to explain and we're not going to talk about individual brands, but most tractors have a 1 or 2 year warranty that covers pretty much everything but hauling, and then the rest is powertrain.
Yeah, you can find that powertrain warranty all over the board. You can find a 3-year powertrain warranty, a 2-year powertrain warranty, even 5-year powertrain warranty on some models. So make sure you understand that powertrain warranty and what you're buying. I have seen 35 horse tractors broken in the center at 3 years old because they were not being used. They were being used for what they would do, but not being used thinking that they're not supposed to do that. And the housing in the middle would just break, just crack.
Yeah, with front wheel drive, depending on what you're trying to do, and most of the people that watch my channel are taking care because they understand, but there's a few people that will push these tractors to their outer limit, and they will do a ton of work, but it comes at a price. And then you get to, like you said, year 3, and you got an oil leak in the middle, and you get under there and there's a big crack in the hydrostatic bell housing or the transmission, and that's generally not covered under any warranty.
No. When you buy that tractor, understand its limits. Say that you've retired and you think you want to buy you a tractor and do a little work on the side or whatever. So you get you a tractor and a bush hog and a loader, and then the next thing you find yourself doing is pushing things and clearing things for people that shouldn't be done, but you get to make a few extra dollars with your tractor and you enjoy doing that. Just be aware that few extra dollars might cost you a lot of dollars in repair on your tractor.
Thank you, Steve, for all you do for me and this channel and my viewers, and good insights into warranty and how to take care of your equipment. I survive on web traffic. I'd be honored if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page and share this video with other tractor enthusiasts. And if you have questions or comments, put them down below. We'll try to get back with you. Thanks for watching.